In Pilibhit, Uttar Pradesh, Samajwadi Party chief Akhilesh Yadav criticized the rising prices of essential, accusing the government of failing to tackle inflation. He alleged that the BJP's involvement in corruption and warns of electoral consequences. Yadav asserted that while UP supported BJP previously, it will reject them in 2024. He emphasized the electorate's power to both welcome and bid farewell to political leaders. Listen in to what he said.
दिल्ली वाले आए हैं, महंगाई तो बढ़ाई है और महंगाई इतनी बढ़ाई है जिसकी आप कल्पना नहीं कर सकते। महंगाई बढ़ती चली जा रही है, चाहे वो डीजल हो, पेट्रोल हो, जरूरत के सामान हो, उन सबको महंगा कर दिया सरकार ने। 2014 से लेकर के 2024 का हिसाब लगाए महंगाई का, बताओ महंगाई कितना गुना बढ़ गई है। अगर हिसाब किताब लगाओगे तो महंगाई कई गुना कई चीजों की बढ़ी है। ये सरकार महंगाई नहीं रोक रही, और जब महंगाई रोकनी थी तो इन्होंने चंदा वसूलने का काम किया। आप में से पढ़ा होगा लोगों ने कि ये दावा करने के भ्रष्टाचारी बचेंगे नहीं, लेकिन भ्रष्टाचार बढ़ाने का काम कोई कर रहा है तो वो भारतीय जनता पार्टी के लोग कर रहे हैं। और ये नया तरीका निकाला है दिल्ली वालों ने। ये इलेक्टोरल बॉन्ड जो बनाए गए हैं, इलेक्टोरल बॉन्ड के माध्यम से बताओ वसूली हो रही है कि नहीं हो रही है।
All right, Abhishek, now we have in fact, Akhilesh Yadav, repeating what his father used to say about, winning the hearts of UP. And if price rise and unemployment is going to continue, then the BJP will have a bleak chance in coming back in Uttar Pradesh. Both the parties, in fact, targeting each other right before the Lok Sabha elections.
Today, Samajwadi Party has started its campaign in Pilibhit. The first phase of election is in Pilibhit, and Pilibhit is going to be the contest the elections in 2024 Lok Sabha in the first phase of UP. And today Akhilesh Yadav was there for doing a roadshow and rally, and where he says that price is increasing day by day, whether it's diesel, it's petrol or basic necessity. Everything is expensive now, and he also slammed the government that this is not curbing inflation. The BJP claims that the corrupts won't be left behind. But if someone who is increasing corruption, it's BJP. He also stated that in Uttar Pradesh, they have given their mandate in 2014, we can say 2014. But the people in 2024 are going to kick out BJP. He also stated that people can welcome warmly and they can also bid a rousing goodbye. Yeah.
For more such videos, subscribe to the NewsX YouTube channel, hit the bell icon.